Namaste guys, in this video we are going to make this mechanism. So let's start. So first thing that I need to do is I need to make some circles and some shaft. So let's see how to approach it. So click on here, click on new part, select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8. Make sure no external references is checked on, else you will face a lot of issues. Now draw a circle here as I'm showing. Give it a diameter as per your requirements. In my case, 200 mm is fine for me. Press escape key, select this circle and drag it. By pressing Ctrl, select these 2 points, make it coincide. Go to the features, extrude. Increase the thickness as per your requirement. In my case, 20 mm is fine. Click OK. Now I will click on here, click on chamfer, select this edge and this edge. Notice the thickness is quite high. Your fillet chamfer is quite high value. So I will make it small value. Let's say 3. Click OK. Now that's look better. Select this face. Click on sketch. Now I will draw a center line here. Escape. Zoom in. Click on here. Make it number of 3. Draw a shape like this. Give it a diameter as per your requirement. In my case 3 is fine, and I will zoom in, give it a distance value of 90. Let's make it 5, make it bit little bigger. Sorry for the unwanted noise, I can't do anything for that. There's a festival going on here. Now what I will do, I will click on here circular pattern. I will select a circular face. What I want to pattern is this feature, so I will go here, select this feature, increase the number of instances as per your requirements. Click OK. One more thing that I'm going to do is I will select this, go to the edit feature. Instead of blind, I will choose the mid plane. Notice now it is extruded on both sides. The reason I have done this so that I can use this circular pattern easily without using another plane. For example, when I want to do mirror, it asking me for a plane. Now because I choose the mid plane, I doesn't need to create an extra plane. So it's a time saving thing. Click OK. Now it's on both sides. That's great. Select this face, click on sketch, draw a circle here. Give it a diameter as per your requirements. In my case 30 is fine. Go to the features, extrude. Let's say 30. Click OK. Now this seems good. Exit the assembly component mode. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Now I have to add one more thing. Sorry for I forgot it. So I will select this, click on edit components, go to the sketch, select this face, click on sketch. I will draw a center line here like this. Escape, draw a circle here, give it a diameter as per your requirements. In my case it is 15, and I will go here and give it a distance from 70 from the center. Go to the features, extrude. Uh, 20 mm is fine. Click OK, and I will choose chamfer. Select this edge, 2 mm. Click OK. So this is how it looks like. Now exit the assembly component mode. Now what I will do, I will click on here, new part, and I will select the front plane. Press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Now what I will do, I will draw some circles here. Watch carefully. I will select this line and this line and extrude it. Let's give it some length. Let's give it length of 120. and this from here to here is 40, and this one is 15. Click on here and make sure while making this no external references checked on, else you will face a lot of issues. Now I will draw here to here, here. Okay, and click OK. Looks little bit odd here. So what I will do, instead of 40, I increase this value to, let's say, 60. Oh, 60 is quite big. 50 is fine. Press Ctrl Z. I have a better idea. Escape key. Select this and this one. Okay. Select this and delete. Select this point and this one. Make it 70 mm. Draw a line like this. Now it looks much better. Sorry for a little bit mistakes that I'm showing, but I personally think mistakes are the best friends. You will learn a lot of things if you see me doing mistakes instead of thinking that I am a fully professional, I know everything. That's not a reality. Click OK. Select this face, click on sketch. Features, extrude it, click OK. And one more thing that you might observe, that there is nothing to support them. So I need to make something that basically supports them. So let's see how to make it. So actually there is solving component mode. Drag it outside. Go to the mates and let's do the mating part. No, we need to do some matings here. So let's see what should I do. So I will select this plane and the right plane of the assembly. Click OK. Just to know that the mate that just I have done, it is temporary. I am going to delete it that onwards. The sole purpose of its right now is to get correct location. Now what one more thing that I will do, I will select the right plane, click on sketch. Now I will draw some sketches. This, and I will draw another line like this. Make sure this line is horizontal. Now the distance between this line to this line is 120 minus 70. Okay, and click OK. Exit the sketch mode. So select this. Make sure it's concentric. Click OK. Select this face and this face. Click on here. Add the value of distance. In my case, 5 mm is fine. Click OK. Select this face and this line. Make sure it is concentric as well. Click OK. Now we have made up to this point. Exit the sketch mode. Now let's see how we should approach here. So first thing that I will do is I will click on new part and select the top plane. Press Ctrl plus 8 for normal into the view. Click on here, click on centric triangle. So from here, from this point, I will draw a centric triangle like this. Make sure that no external reference is checked on, else you will face a lot of issues. So 110, and this one will be 200. Select this point and this point. Make it 0. Go to the features, extrude, enter the value of 10 mm. Now it's not correct place. Go here, offset, increase the value. It's going in the wrong direction, so change the direction. So I think this much is fine. Now let's go more downward. Anyone guess why I'm moving it more downwards? Think about a second why I'm doing it. Now what I will do, I will select this face, click on sketch. Now I will draw a sketch here. Go to the features, extrude, click on thin feature, decrease the thickness to 5 mm and click on reverse direction, go to the offset and I think reverse direction, this is fine, click OK, select this face, click on sketch. I will draw a center line here from here to here, click on here and draw like this. Give it a thickness as per your requirement. 5 mm is fine in my case. Go and let's add one more thing. Let's add this one. Let's say 10 mm. Click OK. Go to the features, extrude, extrude up to surface. Select this face. Click OK. So we have made for one, but one more is left. Select this face. Click on sketch. Go to the here. Select the face. Sketch. Draw the sketch. Go to the extrude, and I will choose blind thin feature. 5 mm is fine. Reverse direction, offset 5 mm or 10 mm, but in reverse direction. Click OK. Select this face, click on sketch, zoom in, draw a center line like this, escape. Notice, okay, it's inside of it, so no issues. And now what I will do, I will draw this 5. Let's make it 15 here. Extrude up to surface like this face, click on sketch. Exit the assembly component mode. Now go to the mates, mechanical, slot, select this slot and select this face. Click OK and close this. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. So if I try to rotate it, notice I can't able to rotate. Why? Remember that I have used a temporary mate, this one, so I will right click on it and delete it. Yes, now it's moving. For those wondering why this much height, notice at the bottom it doesn't collide with it, so that's the reason I give it that much height. And one more thing is that it's moving forward backward. I don't like it, so I will go to the mates, click on standard distance, select this face and this face, enter the value 10 here, click OK. And if I select this face, press Ctrl plus 8, you can see how it's working. Now you can add some coloring to it. So I will go here and let's add some colors. So materials, metal, and let's add this polished gold to this, and I will go to the painted car. Let's add this one here and to this one. Now let's try to do the animations. Go here, motor, select this face, reverse the direction, go to the distance 720, Start at 0 seconds. Total length of the animation is 5 seconds. Click OK. Make it small. Click on here. Increase the FPS for better quality. 30 FPS is fine. Click on calculate. So in that way you can see that how our animation look like. You can make more and better animation as per your requirement. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you guys have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.